Catboy. Gekko, no! Chocolate eggs! Sorry. I just couldn't wait. Quick, Catboy, we'll distract them. And I'll take the eggs inside the school through the back door and guard them.
Guard, not gobble, right?
Wait till morning and it'll be worth it. I promise to serve and protect. An egg?
A fossilized egg. Legend says it might be a dragon's egg. My cat whiskers are getting a bad feeling about this. What's Night Ninja want with these treasures?
It's just a game. And he's losing. Watch out! They're scrambling for the egg! Owl, wing, wing! Back off my treasure! We win! Yeah! Ah! I wish he'd quit doing that.
Says the lizard boy with camouflage power. Drop the egg, Birdie.
Game over, Night Ninja. No more destruction. It's time to call off your Ninjalinos.
Or call them in. Thank you for finding the treasures.
They're not yours. You never would have figured out those clues. You don't even know what origami is.
Yes, I do. It has something to do with, napkins. Anyway, you all seem so eager to do the work, especially Wonder Wings here. Now for my prize.
Gotcha! A trick? No fair, we had a deal.
My game, my rules.
What are you planning to do with all that stuff anyway?
By stuff, you mean this rare lotus, this antique monkey statue, and the dragon egg. They're actually ingredients for an ancient ninja recipe.
What?
To improve my sticky splat.
No!
Oh, yes! Now let's get cooking. 1 lotus petal. Zest of dragon egg. And a touch of monkey moonlight.
The Night of the Cat! It's here! Whoa! By my cat's whiskers! Something's happening!
Huh? Wow, this isn't just a legend. Feel it? The extra cat ability? I said it!
It sure is powerful! I'm stuck!
Well, have fun reading my book? I sure had fun writing it. Luna, this was you?
But the cats of long ago.
My trusty old moon moths. And these are moon statues. Gotta set them up right, though. If you want to make a moon wheel. A moon wheel?
Wait, I spent all this time learning how to say cat ability, and it doesn't even exist?
Nope. Check out this moon wheel. And the cool thing is, whatever's inside it gives it power, like a battery. That's you, kitty boy.
Your regular cat power, it's making it super fast.
Go, kitty, go.
Whoa!
Catboy! You can't get out. The harder you try, the faster it goes.
Super Gekko muscle! That just made it go faster, too.
I'm sorry! Work at the powers I've got. That's how to get better. I shouldn't have made you play Moonball. Wait! How about we play Luna again?
Romeo, stink eggs are ready.
I've just had an idea.
What? How's that going to stop stinky eggs?
Like this. Don't worry,
Super Gekko Muscles Mega! Ah, a perfect target. Stink away! Ah! Ew! Oh, ew, Gekko. I know. It's worse for me.
We need to wash you down with the water jet from the Gekko-mobile.
Why won't you tell us where it is? You haven't actually lost it, have you?
No, I know where it is. It's just I know how to stop Romeo. It's time for him to worry about getting egg with the giant dinosaur egg. That's the biggest egg I've ever seen. My Rotinator could make that stink so bad. Gekko, stop! You can't throw that egg. I'm not going to, but he'll back off if he thinks I will.
That's it, lizard boy. Perfect.
That stinks! Whoa! Uh-oh!
This egg's so old, I bet it stinks already. Once I've rotinated it, it'll be the stinkiest thing ever. No one will be able to stand it, and I'll rule the world!
Gasping geckos, he's going to break that ancient egg. I only grabbed it because I panicked. And I only panicked because I didn't want to tell you the truth. It's time to be a hero. I did lose the Gekko-mobile, and I need your help to find it.
Why didn't you say so before?
Because you think I'm always losing things.
Gekko, we're sorry. We know you aren't always losing things. We were only kidding because you lost a few things this morning.
And now that we know it's lost, we can start looking.
Aw, did the big bad robot stop the little kitty in his tracks? Now tie them up!
Don't worry, my flash flip will save you.
But that's not even a real superhero move. It's just in a comic.
Flossy Flash, kick it, crash!
Ooh. Chop chop, Owlette. Time to put you out with the recycling. Robot?
No, let me go! Whoa! Oh no, that useless flash flip. Ugh.
Oh.
Owlette, are you okay? Yes, but I'm sorry. Why was I trying to be Flossy Flash? I'm Owlette. Now Romeo can get the most precious books in the city.
Already got them. And soon they'll be full of pictures of me.
Quick, go after them. We'll catch up in the cat car.
Okay, and this time I'm using my owl powers. It's time to be a hero. Why does she need her Flossy Flash book? Owl eyes! Okay, little bird tells me you're there.
Cat car, hi.
Great timing. Here, now go behind those two trees and pull it tight, low to the ground. If we're going to stop Romeo, we're going to have to stop his robot first. What now, Owlette? Now, the amazing Owlette uses her own amazing powers. First, Super Owl Wings. Next, Owl Eyes. Yoo-hoo! Look, Romeo! You still don't have my favorite book.
What? Grab it, robot!
You'll have to try harder than that.
Give me the book. Stop.
Come and get it.
Catboy, let me use the pogo dozer. I can stop Romeo with it.
No! Gekko! Only I! Catboy!
Fine. If you won't let me use the pogo dozer, I'll use the jetpack instead.
No, Gekko! Be careful! The jetpack really is dangerous!
Hey! Whoa, hey!
Don't you break my jetpack, you loopy lizard!
Oh no! Now Gekko really could get hurt! I should have let him use the pogo dozer.
Catboy, help!
Don't worry, Owlette. I'll get you out of this.
Whoa! At last, Super Owl Wings! jetpack's pretty hard to... Look out!
Ha! At last, I've got my jetpack. Now to start taking over the world! Okay, should I start with my Sky Slime Squeegee? Or maybe the Squashatron? Oh, wait! I plan to use the Sniffle Whiff. I'm magnificent! What are we going to do?
I've got an idea.
Really, Catboy? You're going to have another go on the Pogo Dozer?
No, I know I can't ride it as well as Gekko, so it's time to be a hero and let him have his turn.
Cool chameleons! Hop on, Catboy. Let's do this together.
Let's go!
Wow, that super lizard's shiny.
Cool cat speed practice.
Ooh, seeing all these pictures, huh?
He's never seen stuff like this. School, the park, HQ.
Amazing, right? Here's us, heading out to save the day.
Fluttering feathers. He really likes that one.
Where'd it get this? The picture player memory files? He doesn't just want to help us. He wants to be one of us.
Be a PJ robot.
Romeo, inventing again.
Something big. Better check it out.
I'll look after PJ Robot.
Wait till this super robot controller's juiced up. I'll control the Minibot again. I'll make it destroy their HQ like I planned. Build it twice as fast.
I shall obey your commands, Master.
Hi, I'm Robot. Hi, I'm Robot.
Gekko, what are you doing?
Where's little robot?
Special PJ colors. He loves being here. He's been using the picture player, checking out the vehicles, exploring HQ.
Exploring HQ? What if Romeo gets control of him again?
Nah, we got the robot controller.
He's built a new one, and it's big.
But he wants to be on our team.
When that thing goes on, he won't know what he wants. He'll just do what Romeo says, and he'll make him destroy HQ.
Destroy HQ?
If we want to keep him, we've got to take that controller out.
I'm talking about the Harvest Moon Crystal. And once I get my hands on it, my powers are going to be unstoppable.
Yeah, right.
Fine. Don't believe me. But the next time you see me, this city will be mine. Mine! Bye-bye, PJ Pests.
Oh, she's bluffing. Isn't she?
I don't know. Have you ever seen her do that before?
We can't chance it. We're going after her.
Wait, like to the moon?
It's the only way. We'll take HQ in rocket mode.
Yes! I've always wanted to go to space.
To HQ.
So we're really doing this. Like, really? Really?
Look, if this moon crystal is real, we've got to stop Luna Girl before she gets it. 30 seconds till blast off. PJ Robot, you know what to do. Stations, everyone! Owlette, Gekko, all set? Check.
And check.
Okay. PJ Robot, in 3, 2, 1, blast off! Okay, PJ Robot, begin transformation. Punch it! What
Was that?
Lionel? Aw, it's just my cute little buddy.
Little?
Lionel's gone. Meet Lionelsaurus! Robot! Recognize my Romeo brand of pet treats? Thanks for getting Lionel hooked on my Biggie Chews.
Messing with the lizard's treats? That's low.
Hands up! It took me 365 nights just to make this batch. Robot! I used my genius to make them extra tasty, but there's a little side effect. Well, gigantic, actually.
What are you up to, Romeo?
I'm going to feed my Biggie Chews, patent pending, to every pet in the city. I'll have my own gigantic pet army to take over the world!
You'll never get away with it.
You always say that. Watch this. No sit, Lizardsaurus.
Master, your lab?
Whoa! Please don't tell me I left him in the lab. Aha! Here they are.
PJ Masks, to the rescue!
Super Gekko muscles!
Super cat speed!
Use those stripy cat strings!
Super cat stripes!
Super Gekko camouflage! Huh? What's that? Maybe look! Blam! I win! Check out my victory dance! Yeah, boo, boo, night!
You sure have changed your mind about how to be a hero.
Night, ninjas in the goop,
But it's Owlette, so it must be okay. Are we just going to leave them?
Yeah! Teach them a lesson! So long, Ninja Ninnies! You don't stand a chance against my robot.
I have you now.
You won't get away with this!
Hooray for robot!
They didn't do anything! Fluttering feathers!
Just as I thought. You're planning to do something evil to do with the moon.
But why?
Because we're heroes and you're a villain. Right, Owlette?
Ugh. Ha!
Get them, Moth!
Moth attack!
You got superpowers? Use them! Okay, Super Gekko Shield! I'll take that, thank you!
Hey, give that back!
Finders, keepers, losers, weepers!
Must have one!
Leave it, Catboy. Remember what happened in the playground?
Right, sorry. But they just look so cool.
Guys, check it out.
They're saying moon, not moo. Those balls have put everyone into a trance like zombies. But how?
Take a wild guess.
Luna Girl.
But of course. So, what do you think of my moon fizzle balls?
What have you done to everyone?
Nothing really. I just captured the moon's energy with my Luna magnet and zapped it into my fabulous new moon fizzle balls. The Luna rays fizzle your brain and make you worship the moon. Oh, and me, of course.
You moon fizzled the town?
Yep, and here's the best part. My moon-fizzled army will do pretty much anything I say. Which means I'll be taking over the world pretty soon. Not if we can help it. But you can't. How great is that? Oh, and think fast!
We've got to round up those balls before everyone's moon fizzled. If the town's under Luna Girl's control, we'll be way outnumbered. Hey, how about we use these bins?
Yeah! Yay!
They may be dangerous, but who says I can't have a little fun?
Stop right there, Night Ninja. We have you in our claws.
The PJ Masks! I was wondering when you'd show up and stick your beak into my business. Can't hang around. Gotta finish the job. Catch you later.
They're heading for the other floats. Not if we beat them to it. Owl Glider Turbo!
Don't worry, Laughing Lizard. We'll protect you, tongue and all.
We've got to protect every float.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Use your strength to pull them in a circle. We'll defend them together.
Super Gekko muscles! I got you, buddy.
You won't stop us, puny PJ Masks.
Get into positions!
Super Gekko shield!
Owl Wing Wing!
Super Cat Strike! By my cat's whiskers, we're beating them!
Get them!
Oh, no, you don't! Super Gekko muscles!
Gekko, what are you doing? Huh?
Catboy! Gekko, help me!
They got another one!
So little Gekko's in love with another lizard. Could be useful for a play.
Robot, make them hold still!
Yes, Master.
Oh, got one. Look, baby birdie. Oh no! You okay, Owlette? Owie, I got a boo-boo. Come on. Eeny, meeny, miny, zap. It's time to blast a PJ Mask. That wasn't even close to rhyming.
Oh, no, you don't! Super Cat Speed!
Not the tail! Meow. Kitty! Gasping geckos. You won't get away with this, Romeo. Oh, but I just did. And it gets better. Watch. Hey, kids, wanna play a game? Yeah! Oh, goody. It's called Romeo Says. Now I want you to catch that lizard boy. Go! Yeah! Cut it out, guys. This is no time for games. No, me wanna play. Then you gotta find me. Super Gekko camouflage. Gekko! Gekko! Where'd that lizard go? Over here, Romeo. And I've got a game too. It's called Follow the Runaway Lab. Super Gekko muscles. No! Not my lab! I'll get you for this, lizard boy. Or should I say little baby lizard? 'Cause you're next. Huh? Found you! I found you! Okay, playtime's over. Uh-oh.
Owlettinies, stop that at once! Now, I'm your leader. Give that to me. Maybe ask a bit more nicely, Owlette? Nicely? But doing what I say is fun. Right, Owlettinis? Owlettini, that was very naughty. I'm back for my chariot. Owletinis, I order you to stop him!
Mine, oh mine. Let's go, my Ninjalinos! 3, 2, 1, lift off! Ha! So much for being a wonderful leader, bird brain!
Oh, he's right. I wasn't any better than he is. Now my Owletinis don't like me, the chariot's gone, and it's all my fault.
It's okay. They liked being Owletinis at first, and they were definitely mad at Night Ninja.
So, maybe they could still help us. But help us get the job done, not just help me have fun. It's time to be a hero!
Stop, Night Ninja! Give that chariot back! No way! It's mine now! Just like these Ninjalinos, they'll never do as you say!
Ninjalinos, I'm sorry. I really am. I'm not your leader. I'm just someone who needs your help.
Aw, boo-hoo. Spare us the sob story, Birdie. Pay no attention to her. I'm your leader. What? What's happening? We're too heavy. All of you jump out. Now! What are you afraid of? You're ninjas. You'll be fine. Now jump!
No! He's asking them to jump! We have to save him!
Gotcha!
There. Okay, now...
Ready, set, go! Did you find the cup? Then keep looking. I want it.
Catboy, you need to super cat jump at the same time I fly so we both lift Gekko.
Got it! Just hurry!
On 3. 1, 2... Whoa! Wait, Catboy!
I'm strong, but I'm not stretchy.
Let's try again, but don't rush.
Okay.
Now we've got to walk in time with each other. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2,
1, 2, 1, 2,
2.
Till I sticky splat you. Oh, that ninja cheat.
Don't worry, we're still in this race. On 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
What? I thought you said we had time for a break.
You were right! We're going to win!
Huh? Haha!
Uh-oh. But only if we go really fast for this last bit. Come on!
Oh, no! Well...
Hey! Catboy, we nearly lost.
But we didn't! We won!
Yeah, bad news, Ninji.
Oh, it's all your fault, Ninjalinos. Oh,
Okay, one race won by Ninji, one race won by the PJ Pests. So, whoever wins this last race wins the cup.
we can't lose.
And since you useless moths haven't found that cup, it's now up to me. Good news, I'm entering the race. Yip, yip, yip!
That's it! Super cat speed! Huh? Ooh, speedy kitty cat. All set, Wolfies. Yip, yip, yip! Wait! Yip, yip, yip!
Playground's ours, town's ours, kitty cat car, ours.
Whoa! But it's mine!
Not if you're not in our wolf pack. Come on, Howler, let's wolf it up.
PJ Robot, activate the remote control on the cat car.
Wait! We've remote controlled the vehicles before, but...
Not when they're being driven super fast by wolves. Can we think this through?
Are you kidding? They're shedding fur on my seats. PJ Robot, take over the steering system. The catapult function. PJ Robot, can you get control of it?
We're jumping, guys! Jumping too!
They said the moon changes them. Maybe they think if they get closer to it. Whoa! Hey! Gekko!
Quick! He's getting away!
It's time to be a hero.
Catboy?
Forget it. It's too late. What kind of hero has a cuddly anyway?
Actually, I do. He's called Lionel Jr.
Me too. Mine's called Lady Wigglesworth. Or she was until Romeo got hold of her.
He got your cuddlies too?
I didn't want to say anything in case I looked like a baby.
Me too.
Oh man, look at us. If we hadn't been so worried about looking silly, our cuddlies would still be here.
What do we do now?
We get them back. You're right. It's time to be a hero.
Well, hello. I'm your cuddly Romeo. You will obey me, friend.
Huh?
It's over, Romeo.
Oh, go home, Catboy, or I'll tell everyone about you and your precious Mr. Meow.
Go ahead. But if you mess with him, you mess with me.
And me.
And me.
Oh, yeah?
Ouchie.
See ya.
Wouldn't want to be ya.
Stop them, robot!
Catboy to the rescue! No one takes our comments!
I'm just as super as they are. If only these things weren't in my way. Huh? What if I add my cat speed to bouncing? That'd make an amazing move. Maybe my superest one yet. Super cat bounce! Yeah! Whoa!
Huh?
Whoa!
We know you're super. You don't need to prove it.
Sorry. I was testing out my new moves. It's super, right? Yeah! Whoa!
Catboy!
No, wait! Whoa!
Huh?
Too fast!
Catboy, I'll catch you.
Fluttering feathers! It's a PJ Bounce-a-tron.
This is all because of my bounce-a-lot machine. I'm a genius.
You may have invented the machine, but I'm the one who's good at dastardly plans.
Not as good as I am. Now give me back my machine.
No, I'm just as good at being bad as you are.
You're a small-time thief.
If not, once I'm done, I'll have the biggest comic book collection in history.
Give it back.
Never.
It's my invention.
Admit it. My Super Nintelinos can't be beat.
Your band of mini-me's aren't as good as my robot. Show him, robot.
Yes.
啊
can zap the rest of the city.
Easy. Oh. Okay.
Wow, great idea. While you stop this one, I'm going to help Gekko.
Master, he is stopping the ball.
For
Oh no.
now.
Oh no.
Okay, Giant Pinball. It's just you and me. Let's tangle. Super Gekko muscles. Make that super lizard grip. Gekko!
You okay, Gekko?
Just a little dizzy. Maybe we were wrong about being able to handle anything.
Phew. That's one ball down.
Catboy, look out!
Nice try, PJs. But check this out. Oh no! They're both heading right for HQ! Oh, I thought you said you can handle anything. One ball was a challenge, 2 balls, double trouble. But 3 balls? Time to say goodbye to everything you love, PJ Pests.
No!
I think we may have underestimated Romeo.
Maybe, but heroes never give up. If he wants to play pinball, let's show him PJ Pinball. Come on.
Up high! Down low. Too slow, but nice try.
My. Oh.
Ah! Uh-oh. Did he just rewind us? Oh, I most certainly did. Behold, my greatest invention ever! The Rewind Awry!
Hooray for Master.
With this remote, I can rewind anything I like.
Then why are we paused?
Oh, that. Yes, I was hoping you wouldn't notice. It's just a tiny glitch, and I've almost got it fixed. Once it's done, I'll rewind you so far back you'll be babies. Then you won't ever get to become PJ Masks.
Master.
What? You know never to interrupt my evil laugh. Oh, yes. Thank you, Robot. And then I will take over the world! No more PJ Masks?
Not if I have anything to do about it.
And how exactly will you do that if I rewind you? Bye-bye, PJ Pests!
Oh, that no-good Romeo! Come on, let's go back and take him down.
That's what got us into trouble in the first place. Why'd you jump in so fast?
Yeah, there was no plan. You just charged in and now we're back where we started. We've got to stick together.
Romeo was going to zap that cat. I had to do something. Now let's go. Hold it right there, Romeo.
Back for more? Robot, time to take out the trash. Ew, gross.
Nobody trashes my friends.
No way, Catboy!
Catboy, stop! Check it out!
Yes, very funny.
Just get us down! Hey, how do you like it? I say we leave him.
No! Wait, how did you get up there in the first place?
It's all her fault. Her moth stole my sticky splats.
And his Ninja Leo stole my Luna Magnet and Luna Board. They teamed up to turn against us.
No wonder. After all the nasty things you said about them.
Sounds like a movie. Revenge of the Ninja Moths.
Just get us down from here, okay?
Oh no, they're back! Quick, get us down! Wait, we're not really gonna help them, are we? They're the bad guys, remember?
Come on, Gekko. We're heroes.
heroes, and heroes always help.
Whoa, those ninja moths mean business. Heads up!
Don't worry, guys. I've got you. Super Gekko muscles!
Ahem! DJs, you forgot something.
They're right. We've got to get them down before someone gets hurt.
Super Owl Wings!
Super Cat Speed!
There. You're saved. Happy?
No! Those sneaky ninja moths still have our stuff!
It's your stuff. Why don't you just go get it back?
Are you kidding? There's too many of them!
He's right. It's only a matter of time before they trash the city.
Okay, everyone, to the Owl Glider. You've sure lost your shine. Well, no one's taking mine.
Come on. We have to stop Romeo's cookie plan.
Luna, can you try to not get under Owlette's feathers?
Ugh, I'll try.
You gotta try too, Owlette. Being on a mission is all about dealing with difficult stuff.
That's a difficult person.
Okay, I get it. Stop Romeo. That's the mission. Step 1. We gotta stop running away from him and take him on so we can shut him down. I like it. To do that, we gotta find him. Nice. And that means owl eyes. Nah, my moths will do it. What? Owl eyes see everything. Moths see more. Fluttering feathers. There he is. By the town square? No, he's over there, by the school. Can't you read arrows?
Luna, stop!
This is my owl glider.
There he is!
I knew it. No, he's there. Look.
Romeo in 2 places? That's not actually possible.
Seeing things, are we? You fell for my hologram machine. That's why you saw him in 2 places. You were both right.
Well, both wrong, actually.
Get off my glider, you big tin can!
Hey, it's mine.
And now these are mine. And what do you know? Here comes the moon again. No!
Hide them!
Hey, PJs, what are you doing out?
Nothing much. Just watching you 2 play.
Would you like to play Catboy?
Oh, actually, I can't, Owlette. I'm busy with, cat ability. Maybe you'd like a turn, Gekko.
Me? I don't know. Looks kinda zappy.
We want Luna Girl to have a great game, don't we? Away from here.
Well, okay then.
Alley-oop, lizard legs.
Uh-oh! Ah! Wriggling reptiles!
Come on, we've got to get him to the park. Help me! More day-saving power! Gotta have it! Got to have it! It's the only way!
Actually, it's not the only way. Every time we come out at night, we get a bit better.
Yeah, but this way, I get super powerful in a flash! That's great for everyone! Oops! Okay in there, cats of long ago?
Whoa! Whoa!
Owlette, distract Luna Girl!
Huh? Hey, Luna, wanna play ball?
Gekko,
I just need a sec.
like a panther, faster than a snail? Ooh!
Catboy, Gekko, what's happening?
Unreal! The PJs are powerless, which means I can do and take anything.
We've got to get back to HQ!
After them! The rest of you, take all the buildings, the whole city!
PJ Robot called me. He was doing something with the picture player. There was some kind of crystal.
Crystal? Never seen that before.
Maybe that's why we've lost our powers. Because of something.
PJ Robot's done?
Gee, maybe he's not ready to be a PJ Mask.
What are you waiting for? Get them!
There's no way in. It's lost power. The doors don't work. PJ Robot!
Wait, Catboy. He tried to call me, remember? Whatever he was doing, he was trying to help.
You think so? Wah!
He's always trying to help. He tried to drive the cat car, and
He tried to make my walkie better, too. Gasping geckos, it didn't work.
we should have helped him.
He just wanted to be part of the mission. Poor PJ Robot. It's not his fault.
Yeah, we don't always get stuff right either.
Door, quick!
PJ Robot!
PJ Robot! Hello? His energy is really low.
This is it. The best thing ever. All for myself. Moon power, bring me the moon! Yes! With my ultra magnet, you're going to be mine! All mine! Not if the PJ Masks can help it. Ah! My moon rock! Mops, get rid of this PJ pest.
Not so fast, Mops. I've got the moths, and Owlette is keeping Luna Girl busy. Get the magnet, Gekko.
My rock! But Gekko, it's just a rock! The magnet! Grab the magnet!
Oh, but it's so close.
Luna board, go! Ah! Whoa! That loopy lizard sure loves his silly rock. But it's just a chip of the moon. I want the whole thing. You've actually helped me. And all for one rock. You can't stop me now, lizard legs. Moon power, bring me the moon!
Wriggling reptiles, it's true. I've messed up the whole mission just for a thing. It's time to be a hero.
Shoot, shoot, shoot!
Ooh, thanks, Gekko.
But what do we do now?
I know how to stop Luna Girl. All I have to do is throw away my special rock.
Ah! Hey! What's happening? I told my Luna magnet to stick to the moon!
And it has a little piece of the moon. My special rock.
Great idea, Gekko!
It's going to be okay, Owlette. We have you now.
Catboy, Gekko, I'm so sorry. I just wanted you to see how good I am at soccer.
But we already know that, Owlette.
And you'd be even better if you passed the ball.
You're right. It's a team game, and we're a team too. Time to be a hero. Oh,
We need to get Owlette out of this moon ball.
we could pop it with some sort of really big pointy thing. What about the flagpole outside the museum? Gekko, you roll the ball. Catboy, go in front and guide him. Where are those PJ pests? super muscles. Catboy, use your super speed. And I'll use my owl wing wind.
Yes! Great work, PJ Masks!
Useless thing! Now let's pop this moon ball. Super Gekko muscles!
Let's roll this thing as fast as we can, team.
Yeah! What are you doing? No, no, no! Yay! Woohoo! Whoa!
Yes, we can go! Yeah, we can see again. No! Catboy, do something.
Won't get away with this, Luna Girl!
Oh, I think I will. As long as you're a silly little pussycat who hates getting wet, there's nothing you can do about it. And that means I win! I win! Clouds, move into a line and surround that scaredy cat.
No, no, no!
Ha! Now I can go back to filling the tank with more clouds. Luna power! Make more clouds! And put them in the tank!
Catboy, help us!
I can do this. I hate getting wet, but not as much as I hate letting my friends down. It's time to be a hero! Super Cat Speed! I'm coming, PJ Masks! Faster than lightning, whoa! The amazing Catboy runs under the clouds, whoa! Making them all follow him.
What? Wait, what are you doing?
If I'm going to get wet, Luna Girl, so are you!
Ow! I'm soaked! Stop! Stop!
Got it! Now I've just got to reverse this thing.
The seeds, they've been released, and it's all my fault.
Too bad, PJ Pests! Gasping geckos!
They're growing everywhere. Luna Girl's going to get her moon garden. It'll grow over the whole city and destroy all the other plants.
I couldn't have done it without you.
She's right. I should have asked you to help, but I wanted to show I knew about gardening, even though I didn't go to that club.
It's okay, Owlette.
Any ideas now? I'm listening. I really am.
Thinking. Those seeds are everywhere.
Oh! They just go wherever the wind blows.
Wait, that's a great idea, Gekko. Wherever the wind blows. All we have to do is get the wind blowing in the right direction. I know what to do, but I'm going to need all the gardening help I can get.
What's the plan?
Come with me. It's time to be a hero. Ready, Gekko? It's time for Operation Weed Wind.